Good morning, everybody. It's currently 5 in the morning. I just woke up. I'm about to start getting dressed and getting everything together, and then we can leave. I need to go wake Quinn up so he can get ready. My hair is really greasy, so I'm probably about to like slick it back or something. And then we can go. So I'm at the car right now. I'm bringing this like little backpack. I just bought brand new beach towels so we can use these at the waterfall. Okay, we're all in the car, ready to go. Probably gonna stop for gas, but yeah. We just stopped for gas. We also went inside and got snacks.
Or something, an unexpected item that lived.
Just got this in the gas station. He's eating a Cliff Bar, so I'm gonna eat this and keep going. I think we still have like an hour left. It's about 20-ish minutes left. Hey, we're here. It's a lot colder than we thought, so good thing we brought jackets. Oh, that's cool. They have like horse trails. It's actually a lot colder than we thought, but it's okay because the sun's gonna come out soon and it's only 8 in the morning. We're going up the trail right now. It said 0.4 miles, but then there was 2 that said 0.4 miles, so it might be 0.8 miles. You can see the sun coming.
Here comes the sun.
And it's nice that they put steps in too.
I wish I would put on jeans. I just actually didn't expect it to be cold.
Yeah, it is. But the sun feels good.
You need to go camping in a spot like this.
I know. Oh, you can go higher. It probably is. Oh my gosh. All of these steps. Whoa. Do you want to go up here?
Yeah.
This is insane.
Oh, wow.
Whoa.
Wow, this is sick. I've never seen anything like this.
Look at the clouds. We're above them.
I know, I looked up for some reason.
Oh. Those two, but... It's still cold. Okay, so we climbed the rock even higher, and these views are insane. Quinn's sitting over there, but let me show you. That's where Quinn is. Working our way all the way back down the rock, and we'll go from there. We're gonna drive to another trail, and it has a waterfall, and if it's warm enough we might swim. I have our bathing suits just in case and my trusty little backpack, but if it's not, we're just gonna walk. I just think these views are insane. I don't think the camera will ever do it justice.
I don't think the camera's ever done anything to it. Alright. This
What?
is reasonable.
The car's right here, so now we're about to get in and go to the other trail. Cameraman. Okay, well, we wanted to stop at this farm stand at the side of the road, but it's so cute.
You got kosher pickles in here.
Really?
Yeah. They got ice cream, trout dip, they got eggs,
Dandelion jelly? Whoa.
Minute toothpaste, deodorant.
This
pretty
is so
sweet.
cute.
Yeah, that's dope.
Forgot to show what we got at the farm stand. So I got these pickles. We got ice cream, but I ate mine. Quinn got these pecans, ew. And then this like lemonade mix. We're at the second place. It's super steep, so we're about to go down here. So we made it all the way down, but I made him go back up to get my jacket because I'm cold. Now he has to come all the way back down. It's so much steeper than it looks. So the waterfall is down there, but it's so steep. So I think that we're gonna attempt to go down. Like, it's so steep. We made it! Woo!
Look, someone connected a zip line.
I know, I see that. Sponsor me.
Everybody ready?
Yeah.
Not a whole lot, but
Okay, we're climbing back now. This big rock is here too. Let me stop. But we are at the waterfall and the river goes all the way down. There's a way to get to the end. There's another waterfall.
okay.
We're not going there tonight. But we'll probably come back maybe next week or something when it's the weather so steep. Like, look. You probably can't even tell us through here.
And like we had to stay like on the edge.
Yoo-hoo, over here. Yoo-hoo, over here.
Oh shit.
We can go, yeah.
Hey, yeah.
Okay, let's go. Over the log we go. So, forgot to update, but we're on the way back. We're actually about to pull into Tropical Smoothie, because I want a smoothie. We might get food from there, but there's other food places, so we'll see.
Chicken, cheese.
flatbread?
Yeah, chicken cheese and some hot sauce. And then just like a strawberry banana. No, acai berry boost.
Okay, we're ready now. And can I do a flatbread with just chicken, cheese, and do you guys have hot sauce?
We don't have hot sauce.
Do they have like hot salsa or anything?
We have a buffalo sauce, which some people tend to get that, but like having like packs of hot sauce, we don't.
Do they have like any other
I
sauces?
can do a side of the buffalo sauce.
No.
Yeah, can we just get that on the side, please?
Yeah, and then on your chicken and cheese, we have the 3 cheese chicken quesadilla. Is that what you were wanting?
Yeah.
Yes, please.
With chicken.
Just the chicken and cheese.
One with the dark chocolate.
Yes, please.
Okay. It was just hard to hear with that truck beside you unloading whatever they're doing. Like, it's
Oh, no, you're okay.
Okay. What else for you?
That will be all.
All right, it's going to be 2703 at the window, please. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay, so we got tropical smoothie. I got the beach bomb. I think it's strawberries, bananas, and dark chocolate. I think that's it. And his is the acai something.
Berry boost.
Yeah, the acai berry boost, and it's acai, blueberries,
Bananas.
strawberries. And I think that's all.
Oh, I didn't try it. Yeah. That's good.
They're good. So we're gonna go eat our food. I'm gonna edit the video. So, thanks for watching.